Hello, this is Noin. Register number UR15CS191. I am here to explain the program of calculating address in row measure and column measure for two-dimensional array. First, I include header file, that is IO stream. This is used for input and output functions, that is C in and C out. Then followed by I use using namespace std. This is used for the cout statements. If I didn't use this using namespace std, I have to separately declare cout. Then in main, I declare an integer array of size 10 and 10. Then I declare a star and pointer star ba, that is the base address. Any base address, that is the initial address of an array, starts with 0 and 0. So I gave a of 0 0 and an ampersand. If I don't use this ampersand, it will return a garbage value. Then I initialize a pointer rm, that is a row measure, and another pointer cm for the column measure. These two variables are used to calculate the row measure address and column measure address. This for loop will give the iteration for the rows, and this for loop give iteration for the columns. I get the input of rows in I and the input of columns in j. I calculate column measure, that equals base address plus j into 5 plus I, and row measure equals base address plus I into 5 plus j. Now I display address in row measure and address in column measure. If we build and run this program, let's give 5 and 5. The address, this is the exact location of the variable which is in hexadecimal value. Thank you.